Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and opening your balcony door to a breathtaking view of the ocean, all while traveling in the lap of luxury. Luxury cruises offer an unparalleled travel experience, combining the comforts of a five-star resort with the excitement of visiting multiple destinations, all in one journey. But what makes luxury cruises truly unique? Stick around as we explore the world of luxury cruises, highlighting the best ships, exclusive experiences, and why a cruise vacation might be your next dream getaway. Before we set sail, don't forget to subscribe to the Billionaire Luxe Room and give this video a thumbs up for more insights into the world of luxury travel. What sets luxury cruises apart? Luxury cruises aren't just about the destinations, they're about the journey. Unlike standard cruises, luxury cruises emphasize personalized service, high-end amenities, and exclusive experiences tailored to discerning travelers. From butler service and gourmet dining to private excursions and lavish suites, every aspect of a luxury cruise is designed to cater to your every desire. The hallmark of luxury cruising is attention to detail. These cruises focus on creating a seamless, immersive experience that pampers guests from the moment they step on board. Whether it's dining on Michelin-starred cuisine, indulging in a private spa treatment, or exploring remote destinations with expert guides, luxury cruises elevate the art of travel to a new level. The ships, floating palaces on the sea. Luxury cruise ships are more than just vessels. They're floating palaces equipped with the finest amenities. Brands like Regent 7 Seas, Silversea, Seabourn, and Crystal Cruises are renowned for their top-tier ships, each offering a unique blend of elegance and modernity. Let's take a closer look at what sets these ships apart. The suites. On a luxury cruise, your suite isn't just a room, it's a sanctuary. Most luxury ships offer spacious suites with private balconies, walk-in closets, and marble bathrooms. Some even have penthouse suites with personal butlers, in-suite dining, and exclusive lounge access. Imagine sipping champagne on your balcony while watching the sunset over the Mediterranean. Now that's luxury. Dining. Luxury cruises take onboard dining to a whole new level. Forget buffets, think Michelin-inspired restaurants, al fresco dining under the stars, and 24-hour room service. The menus are crafted by world-class chefs, offering everything from fresh seafood to global cuisine, paired with an extensive wine selection. For those with specific dietary needs, these cruises excel in personalized meal planning to ensure a gourmet experience for every guest. Wellness and entertainment. Pampering is a top priority on luxury cruises. Onboard spas offer a range of treatments, from massages and facials to yoga classes and personal training. For those seeking a more active experience, many ships feature state-of-the-art fitness centers, swimming pools, and even golf simulators. Evening entertainment includes sophisticated shows, live music, and even cooking classes hosted by renowned chefs. Unique onshore experiences. Luxury cruises are all about curated experiences, both onboard and onshore. Unlike larger cruise lines that focus on popular tourist spots, luxury cruises take you to hidden gems and remote destinations that are often inaccessible by larger ships. This means you could find yourself exploring a private island in the Caribbean, navigating the icy waters of Antarctica, or visiting the ancient temples of Southeast Asia, all in one trip. The excursions offered on luxury cruises go beyond standard sightseeing tours. You'll have access to small group expeditions, led by expert guides, allowing you to dive deep into local cultures and natural wonders. Imagine taking a private helicopter tour over Iceland's glaciers, enjoying a guided snorkeling trip through a secluded coral reef, or savoring a gourmet meal prepared by a local chef in a Tuscan vineyard. For those who prefer personalized adventures, luxury cruise lines often offer custom excursions tailored to your interests. Whether it's a private wine tasting tour, an exclusive yacht day in the Mediterranean, or a behind-the-scenes look at an ancient archaeological site. This level of customization is what makes luxury cruising a truly unique way to explore the world. Personalized service, where guests are VIPs. What really sets luxury cruises apart is the level of personalized service. With a high staff-to-guest ratio, these ships ensure that every guest receives VIP treatment. Whether it's a personal butler who caters to your every whim, or a concierge who arranges your private onshore excursions, the service on a luxury cruise is unmatched. From the moment you step aboard, you'll experience a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Cruise staff are trained to anticipate your needs, whether it's preparing your favorite cocktail as you relax by the pool, or setting up a private dining experience on your suite's balcony. This attention to detail creates an experience that is not only luxurious, but also deeply personal. All-inclusive luxury, no surprises, just pure indulgence. Luxury cruises often come with an all-inclusive price tag, meaning that nearly everything is covered in the cost of your trip. This includes gourmet dining, premium drinks, onboard entertainment, and even some shore excursions. This all-inclusive approach allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without worrying about hidden fees or unexpected expenses. Some luxury lines even go the extra mile by including perks like round-trip airfare, pre- and post-cruise hotel stays, and transfers. This seamless, worry-free travel experience is one of the many reasons why luxury cruises are considered the ultimate vacation. Best destinations for luxury cruising. Luxury cruises take you to some of the world's most breathtaking destinations. Here are a few of the most popular routes. The Mediterranean, from the sun-soaked beaches of the Amalfi Coast to the ancient ruins of Greece, a Mediterranean cruise is a journey through history, culture, and stunning natural beauty. Ports of call often include private excursions to hidden beaches, vineyard tours, and gourmet dining experiences at coastal villages. The Caribbean. If you're dreaming of turquoise waters and white sandy beaches, a Caribbean luxury cruise is your ticket to paradise. Sail to secluded islands, snorkel in coral reefs, and enjoy a private beach picnic, all in an atmosphere of complete luxury. Antarctica. For the adventurous, an Antarctic cruise offers the chance to explore one of the most remote and pristine places on Earth. Navigate through icy waters, witness majestic glaciers, and get up close to wildlife like penguins and whales, all from the comfort of an ultra-luxury expedition ship. The Norwegian fjords. Cruise through the stunning fjords of Norway with their dramatic cliffs and cascading waterfalls. Enjoy small group excursions to explore charming Scandinavian villages, hike to panoramic viewpoints, or take a kayak adventure in serene fjord waters. Luxury cruises offer the ultimate blend of comfort, adventure, and personalized service, making them an unforgettable travel experience. From lavish suites and gourmet dining to exclusive onshore excursions, these cruises provide a level of indulgence that goes far beyond traditional vacations. Whether you're looking to explore remote destinations in style or simply want to relax in a floating 5-star hotel, a luxury cruise is the perfect way to treat yourself to the finer things in life. Have you ever experienced a luxury cruise, or is it on your travel bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this look into the world of luxury cruising, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the Billionaire Luxe Room for more exclusive insights into luxury travel, watches, cars, and lifestyle. Click on our other videos now to continue exploring the finest ways to travel and indulge in life's best experiences.